This 2025 Forest River Rockwood Signature Ultra Lite R372RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features a ANDOVER SABLE stone interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, leveling jacks, slide-out, external shower, TV, spare tire kit, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Rockwood Signature Ultra Lite R372RL is 10,767 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.